That's because you're not supposed to stick your arm halfway up the cavity.
Yes, you are. Josh said.
Please do not roll down window.
Okay.
Condition, it said 42.1 miles?
No, that's the trip.
Pretty sure this car has more than 42 miles on it, if I had to guess.
That is trip A.
You so stupid.
This is a really cool one, guys. So we just got done tinting this Lexus SC400. I know you're probably thinking like, wait, you guys tinted this car? What are you talking about? Hey, yo, you birds need to shut the f up. But yes, all the side windows you guys see and the back window have been tinted. The reason why it's so light is because we use Cerelux 70, so you can still see in and without any issues. But the best part is the heat rejection is really good. Matter of fact, I won't be surprised if this film blocks more heat than your traditional 5% film. That's how good Cerelux 70 is. Great option if you just want to show off your interiors, or if you just don't like that tint look, that's all good too. The Model Y is so brand new that there is no kits available for it right now, so everything that you see us do will be custom done by hand, which is not a problem for us because that way it'll give us a better fit overall on all the protective panels. We have new Vossen HF-4Ts mounted and balanced, ready to go for a Tesla Model 3. Actually, our Tesla Model 3, our shop Tesla. Tinted gloss black, so a really sporty color.
What you think?
I think it looks good.
Yeah, it's a twist on the twist wheel. I think Tesla owners will like it just because they're used to that twist.
It's really interesting. We've gone through so many different sets of wheels on our shop Model 3, and every time we get a new one, I'm always thinking to myself, yeah, this is the best design yet. I feel the same about this one as well. So these are the Vossen HF-4T. T stands for, I guess, twist. I don't really know what else to say. The wheels just look really good. Sporty, multi-spoke design. I love the fact there's a twist to it. As you may know, Tesla likes to incorporate twists to their OEM wheels, so I feel like this kind of pays a little bit of a homage to that, but I think the fact that this is a two-tone finish keeps it really refreshing. It really distinguishes between each individual spoke, between the black and then like the dark gunmetal one, so it gives it much more depth than this wheel being all one single solid color. Having a pop of gloss in the wheels just add a nice break to the whole setup. Dude, there are so many freaking birds everywhere. Holy shit.
I walked around this thing for like 2 minutes this morning, I was like, Sean? I was like, you even trimmed under here and cut and pieced, and then I just went, oh yeah, it's a Y.
We got done Clearbra in the full front end of the Model 3, so right now we're getting ready to tint the car. It should be like tinting a Model 3, right? Because it technically is like a Model 3. No, this is actually a different shape than the Model 3. Normally the glass on the Model 3 on the edges here are like really rough, widely rounded. This is much tighter. Oh, this is not like the Model 3. The back windows are darker from factory. It's like an X. We're mounting new Vossen VFS1 wheels in satin black. Really clean setup. Has an OEM Plus look to it. Custom finished in satin black. Very clean color choice. Looks good. Straight spoke design. And you have the nice flush fitment. And you get a nice concavity front and rear too, so it matches. The setup speaks for itself.
$20, $30 a sticker.
Yeah, that's not much to have your car not look bunk.
You're literally one bad carbon fiber roof away from looking like Will's car.
That's awesome.
You don't even have M3 badges on an M3.
What? Look at this! Look at that! Look at that!
Is that a washer?
That's a washer!
One of the washers from inside of here, when I was driving, it wouldn't come off and it got in here somehow.
Look at how spider-webbed his
It fell
taillight
in
is.
here and it went in here.
I'm surprised a washer isn't cracking your taillight as you're driving. I thought you BMW guys pride yourself on your cars.
No, it's cracking on both sides. Sitting here, it should be sitting here.
Yeah, it should.
No, the M3 GTS?
No.
It's okay, we're gonna race with the E46.
Guys, social distance, we're talking about Forza. So.
My first Model Y tint and Clearbra walk around. I gotta enjoy this moment for a second. Okay, let's go. First things first, we Clearbra the full front end, the full hood, the front bumper, and the fenders. There's no kit available for this car since it's brand new, so all the panels that I mentioned were all custom hand trimmed to fit perfectly for this car. So we did an EVS custom hood, one blank piece. We hand trimmed all the sides. There's no relief cuts or anything like that. We even took off the badge so there's no cut around. Took out the fender badge to get a nice tuck in. Headlights and the fog lights are protected. Definitely don't want to replace these things, they're expensive. And here's a look of the tint on the side windows. Matches really well with the whole chrome delete that the Tesla has done done. So we did Cerelux 30 on all the side windows, as well as the back window. PhotoSync 70 on the front windshield, and 30 on the entire sunroof, moonroof, panel roof, whatever you want to call it. And here's what it looks like from the inside. This is PhotoSync 70 on the front windshield, PhotoSync 30 on the side, and here's what it looks like on the back windows that are already tinted from factory with PhotoSync 30. There's a little bit of a difference, but clarity is still really good. There's the back window, and this is the panel roof, and the center console is also wrapped sandblack. Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. We want to work on your cars, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. I have this video here that I think you might like. Check it out. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and like the video. I will see you guys next time.
Is it unlocked?
Sean, what happened to your car?
I forgot to drill that in.
How much did you spend on this?
Probably $100.
Don't tell me that.
Yeah, seriously.
Dude, I could go to Michael's, get a piece of particle board, some suede.
Where's your E46?
Preventative maintenance.
Oh, that's our
Thank you very
preventative
much.
maintenance. It's not even here, not even driving.
You know I love you and you know I love your car.